In today's video, I want us to talk strategy. How you can trade, invest Bitcoin, the best way to do it. And I'm going to use some indicators to make things easy for us. We're going to use the alpha trend and the trend below to give us the best entry and best exit ever in this game. You are welcome here once more. I'm your guy, the Betong. Always happy to be here, bringing you guys awesome content to help you make better decisions as you embark on this investment journey or trading journey. As I mentioned, today's video is going to focus on ways that you can go about trading Bitcoin, and you can apply this same strategy to any altcoins out there or meme coins. So make sure you watch this video till the end. And if say you are interested to be part of my community, to be part of my VIP group, to be part of my Telegram group, then make sure you go to the description of this video. There are a lot of resources there for you to get started with me or make your trading and investment journey comfortable. So yeah, just go and get all those information there. And if you haven't yet subscribe as well on my platform, make sure you do subscribe, hit the bell button, and also the thumbs up. Yeah, comment. Yeah. All right, guys. Let's dive into this quickly. As I mentioned, we're gonna use these indicators, the alpha trend screener and the trend dealer. I'm gonna explain to you guys how I use this indicator to trade Bitcoin, and I have strategies and other stuff. Like, let me just use the right word. I have like a different zones where I get into the trade, and also zones where I get out of the trade. So for you to get this indicator, just go to this indicator tab, and if say you don't yet have trading view, you should get trading view. Go to my link tree. The link to my link tree is found at the description of this video. Go there and you scroll right down to join me on trading view. This place is awesome. Get trading view. This is the link. If say you click this link and register, you can get up to let's say 20% discount, and also it's gonna help this platform. And there are also other benefits that you're gonna get. Like, for example, you can get up to 30 days free trial version, and you can then decide to buy if say you find some value or you got some value from this. So just go there and get that. Now we are back here. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna get this Trendillo and um Alpha Trend Screener. So go to the indicator tab. This is it here. Click on that, and then you search for Trendillo. Trendillo. The first one, Trendillo open source by Doot Doot owns that one. Then the second indicator you're gonna get here is the Alpha Trend. The Alpha Trend, this first one, the Alpha Trend Screener by Kivan Oats Bill Cake. Yeah, so that's the first the one you wanna get. Now, once you've had all of it, just go and let me just click on this one first so you can get the settings, so you can see the ones I mark and the ones I unmark. You can have the same settings here. You can go to the style, the same thing. You can see everything. If you want to have it the same as I as me, or as you can see on my chart, then make sure you do just this. Mark these ones and yeah, do it like that. Visibility is just what I meant, what I've done. And for the alpha trend screener, you can also do the same thing. You can see here the style, alpha trend, the trigger, all of this good stuff here. I didn't even change anything there. All is the same as it is. Show signal, show label, everything is just the same as it is. Of course, you can decide to change the platform, like the symbol. You can change it here, but just leave everything as it is, to get the best out of it. Excuse. Now, once you have all of this, I want you to be more on the higher time frame. Okay, there's a reason why I want you to focus first on the higher time frame. We're gonna be doing this on the daily time frame and on the 4 hours time frame. And in both time frames, I'm gonna give you guys or show you guys what you should be looking at first before you switch time frame. Okay, let's go back a little bit with Bitcoin so we can see some stuff here. Now, when it comes to the alpha trend, we're gonna be paying attention to the buy and sell signal, right? The buy and sell signal are going to help us understand what or which direction the market is gonna go to. And when the market is trending, the alpha trend is not print this, this yellow, this you can see this greenish level zone here. You can see this, and when the market is moving sideways, you're gonna see it's gonna be moving like sideways as well. And for you to actually enter a trade like this, when you see the buy signal, you have to confirm that actually this is a growth trade. You have to wait for price to stay keeps to like the first second candle to stay above the alpha trend. So it must be above the alpha trend. You can see price has been above the alpha trend. I can go back and show you guys different scenarios where price stays on above the alpha trend, and you see, the buy signal was printed and price is still above the alpha trend. And at this point in time, you see, yeah, price was below the alpha trend, but we didn't see any sell signal there. So this minor, this candles here, well, it's not going to be counted. We look at huge candles like this. So when price started doing something like this and you see a huge spike to the upside, like maybe you're not able to see, like, to get this vector candle. But if you want to get this vector candle, what you have to do is get this indicator, this PV. This is let me just do this quickly. So yeah. So this is called PV. Let me just go to indicators so you can PV, but it doesn't matter. This PVSR volume, you can get that. Then you go on it, click on it, or what you want to mark is set PVS arrow candle colors. So click this to set the colors, have the same setting. And for you to be able to do this properly, you have to go to your trading view, click on this candle here, like go to trading view. You have to make sure you have these settings here, this body and wick, so have those settings there. But if you don't do that, it's gonna change to something else. So on tick that, so you're gonna have the same as I got here. This is just a volume, indicator that it shows, like how much volume buy or sell volume is in the market when you look at price action. So I'm gonna take this off. I don't actually need it. I just want I just use it most of the time to have these vectors here. So now we have this, okay? Let's take this as like the first example. When the alpha trend created a sell signal, yeah, you know, you want to see price. If say you want to take a sell, like you want to actually take a sell, yeah, sell, like press the sell button. You don't buy when the sell signal is printed. You buy when price get to where the sell signal, where the sell signal printed. So if the sell signal is printed and you see these huge move to the downside, you want to wait for retracement, and you wait for price to close back below the alpha trend before you get into that trade. In this case, we saw that the alpha trend printed this sell signal, yeah, and price was below this zone here. Now, you shouldn't buy, this. You shouldn't sell this yet, because we haven't yet gotten confirmation. The confirmation is gonna be seen when price retrace back towards where the alpha trend put it a sell signal, and you see multiple rejection. And after multiple rejection, you want to see price close again below the alpha trend, like below this line here. It should close below, and if price close below, that's when you are getting into that trade. And again, maybe by then the alpha trend must have printed a buy signal, which is going to be a fake buy signal, and you won't be able to follow that because again, price must must break structure. If you follow my previous videos, you're gonna wait for price to break structure, like what price did here, and after that you're gonna see price move. Like I'm gonna go to the lower time frame to show you guys more details on what I'm trying to explain to you right now. Now, how you correspond this with the trend dealer? This is the trend dealer here. You see, when this buy when this sell signal was printed, you see the trend dealer went to the over overbought area, the oversold area. Sorry, oversold area. The oversold area is this area, this reddish area. Yeah, reddish zone. Now, usually when price get to this zone, when you see this, red signals, yeah, like this zone, when the zone is being formed, you want to start looking at opportunities to buy. Like DCA. For those of you who are investors, you want to look for opportunity to do DCA. And whenever you see, these green zones here, then you want to start looking for opportunities to sell. Like, okay, now, and the sell means you're taking out profit, right? For those who bought here, like if you bought here, you bought. If your strategy is just following, when you see this zone, this red zone, you buy. You see this green zone, you sell. If you see this red zone, you buy. You see this green zone, you sell. If this is your strategy, of course you're gonna be making money, but not it's gonna be consistent, but it wouldn't be like all the time. It's gonna be a time that or sometimes that you make some losses, but most of the times you're gonna be making profit. Like cashing most of the trades, both to both direction. Now, when you must have seen this buy signal, yeah, for like this buy signal, yeah, you don't buy immediately. You now go to the lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. You wait to see what price is doing. Let's go now. Let me just do this. Let me go a little bit backward, I think, but let me do it here. So, for example, you know, we had this buy signal here, and what you have to do when you see a buy signal like this, is to wait for price to play out. What do I mean by that? You can see when price pump, when we saw this buy signal, we saw price pumped, you know, usually the target is where the alpha trend created a sell signal, you know. So if say you are buying here, then you are going to hold this trade until price get to where the alpha trend printed a sell signal. But for us to be safe, buy, like when you buy, you want to be safe, like knowing that you are buying at a good position or a good zone. You can bring in the Fenerbahce retracement tool. You plug it from here to where price ended, like if a price pump, or you can take it from where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, the red candle, to this zone here. Now, what are you looking at? You are looking at the golden pocket. The golden pocket is a zone where price is gonna reject and pull back, and that the pullback is when you're gonna look for a perfect buyer opportunity. So you now establish your first zone. This is the golden pocket here. So you've established your first zone because you have seen this buy signal here, and you don't want to get in like that. You want to wait for pullback. So you pull this, from from where the alpha trend printed a sell signal to this, let me say, the bottom of that movement. So after that, you can print the zone, like you can do it like this. You print the zone, so you mark it, so that you'll be able to understand what is going on there when price breaks structure. Now, I want to take off this. So now we have the first zone. Let's just assume that price was here and price move here. So you now draw this, you draw this zone because you want to see where price might retrace to. And when you must have done this, like from where the alpha trend printed a sell signal to this bottom here, you can do this opposite. You click it from here, you take it to where the alpha trend, sorry, where the previous top. This is the area here. Now, what you are looking at, there are two zones you want to look at. When you plug this Fenerbahce tool here, you want to look at first the golden pocket. This is it, and you want to look at this zero zero point. Let me so I can get the the right things were 0.382. Price always reject from 0.382 and then also reject from zero point 0.5 before maybe it comes to the golden pocket. Now, for you to know that price has rejected this zone, and this zone is gonna be the zone where price is gonna move to the next high or start making higher highs. Then when price rejects here, you want to see price stay above like price must not come and do this. Price must not do this. If price hit this zone, price price goes up, price cannot come back and break it like this. If price does that, then price have invalidated that move. Price should stay above that zone, and when price does that, then you know that okay, maybe the next leg is going up. Okay, now another thing you can do is this: when price is not able to do this, like if price does this, it pumped this zone, it found this retracement here. If price is not able to break this area here, then wait for price to come back to the golden pocket or to the zero point 0.5 zone. And if price does that, then you can price is gonna do something like this also, like try to break this. And if price is not able to go below again, then you can. And if price ends like around this zone, like yeah, like above this zero point 0.5 zone, then you know that price is about to form like a W, and then you're gonna see a huge pump to the upside. So I'm trying to establish or give you guys scenarios where you already know what price might do, and so that you don't just rush into buying. You wait for price to play out, to price to come to your zone, to come to the area where you can easily buy. Now I want to show you guys a chart that I talk about, like back then. If you follow my channel, you see I drew this chart, and look at this. See just exactly how I draw it. Price has gone to that zone here. Now this was going to be your first take profit, and I mark all of these zones. Now price break structure. The next thing you will expect price to do is to come and hold. If price holds here and we see a next move here to the upside like this, the next move down, price shouldn't close below like this. Price should stay above. And this is where you're buying now. And you're buying it, taking it to the next level. Bam, bam, So you need to be patient to wait for price to do this. And if you practice this over and over and over again, you are going to see results. Again, when you see a move like this, guys, you don't rush. You bring in the Fenerbahce tool, and the Fenerbahce tool helps you after the alpha trade must have printed this buy signal here. Like you want to buy, you want to enter the trade, and you see price start doing this something like this, there's gonna be some sort of retracement. Now you don't know exactly where the retracement is gonna be. So what you wanna do, as I mentioned, you're gonna bring the Fibonacci retracement tool. You block it here to this upside, and you're looking at the 0.382 zone. Let me just make it a little bit more easier here. You're looking for this 0.38. And if you want to get the same setting as me, let me bring in the settings. So this is it. I have this trend line. I mark this for this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. So you're gonna have the same stuff, like the same setting as me. Yeah. So just do just that, and yeah, that's just how I've done it. These are my important zones. These are the zones I want to see. So once you have done all of this, guys, okay, the target still, or if price is not able to break, like um like if you see price reject any of these zones, again you can pull the Fibonacci tool and wait for price to get to the golden pocket. The golden pocket usually is the zone where um price always, if like with Bitcoin, price is always gonna reject from that zone. And if price reject from the zone to the upside, what you want to see, like let me I just love to do it in a more clearer way. So you want to see price does this, if price is not able to break this area here, if price reject, come like this, it reject again. So you know price is gonna go even more downward, and you're gonna look at the final target at 0.786, this area here. So again, when we look at the alpha trend, as I mentioned, the alpha trend, it gives you like signal, or what price is doing, be it when price is in an uptrend or downtrend, and this buy and sell signal is gonna be how you determine what price is doing. And again, when you see the buy signal, don't just rush into buying, wait for pullback. You see like something like this, you wait for pullback, but the next time you're buying, price must be above this trend, this alpha trend line. You can see, you look at this. Let me just give you guys a quick example here. You see price left here, it formed this zone, came here, and you see, it came back, it attempted to close, but it didn't close below the alpha trend. You see, it was just playing around, but you can see this move here. So this is where you buy, like this, then boom, you take it to the upside. And for you to sell, you must wait for the alpha trend to print a sell signal. But you are not selling immediately when the alpha trend prints a sell signal. You are selling when the alpha trend when price try to retrace back after the sell signal has been printed, and price is not able to break structure. Like, yeah, price try to retrace, and you see this sell signal was printed, price retraced back, and we saw a buy signal, but we didn't go to form higher highs. In this case, you can see another sell signal was printed, and now we are seeing price going more to the downside. You can see, and when price is going to the downside, you can see price is always below the alpha trend. You can see below, and when price want to start going back to the outside, price is gonna break structure and start moving above the alpha trend. So, guys, this is pretty simple and easy to follow, and I want to believe to an extent it has been helpful to you. Comment below if say you didn't understand more, and like tell me where you couldn't understand. So I'm gonna keep doing this over and over again. Create more of such videos until you guys can understand. Because when you understand these guys, it's gonna help you a lot as an investor, as a trader. You're gonna know if you are a swing trader, it's gonna help you in your entries. Same if you are an investor, it's gonna help you to DCA properly. Imagine that you are able to buy at these reasonable prices. Nothing is gonna stop you. Trust me. You're gonna be buying at not exactly at the right time, because we cannot time the market. Like, no one can time the market exactly like saying say that price is gonna do this or do that. We can predict what price might do based on previous price action. Like, for example, you can see here, price was able to reject here because price has done this before in the past. You can see, if you know that price has done it in the past, this is zone, then after price must have made this move here, that you would have been waiting for price to get to that area. So it's just not something which is that difficult. You just need to practice in order to perfect the way you get into any trade or you invest. You know. So this is it for today. Um Okay, the indicator I use is as I mentioned, you can go and watch the video again, but it's Trendillo and the Alpha Trend. Yeah, Trendillo and the Alpha Trend. You can go and watch the beginning of the video to get the indicators. I also explain how you're gonna use it, like the settings, how you're gonna set it up, and so on and so forth. If the content was helpful, do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. Um, the content with someone else out there. I want to be live again. I think at within 5 hours. I think, yeah, within 5 hours, 6 hours 30 minutes. No, 5 hours 30 minutes. Within 5 hours, 5 hours 30 minutes. I'm gonna be live again, and it's gonna be just be going through the market news, analyzing different altcoins, meme coins, Bitcoin, just trading together, analyzing the market together. You bring your coins, we look at it, So it's just gonna be that, you know, and within 5 hours, I think we're gonna do that. I already created, established the live, so you can go and click the notification button so that each time I am live, you're able to get it. You can see I feel sick. I'm not that 100% okay the way I speak. Even I'm not that like active, but I'm gonna be fine within 5 hours. When I go live, we're gonna spend about 1 hour or 2 hours together. So make sure you are available. How was it? All this good stuff. See you. Ciao.